Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Baby Joy Montecon, and I am the second reporter in Unit 9. Wow. The 7 environmental principles of nature. Okay. The following are the basic environmental principles of ecosystem adopted from Barry Kubuner, cited in Butler 2012. First is nature knows best. So people need to understand nature and have to obey by the rules it imposes. In essence, one must not go against the natural process if he or she would like to ensure a continuous and steady supply. So kani ang sa number 1 of kuan lahat ng principle is dapat ganun daw kanang kita nga tao pabaluta sa kanang sa rules sa dapat nato buhaton sa nature. Kung gusto ka kanang padayon gihapon ang ilahang pag-grow o pag-supply sa to pagkaon, dapat kabalo mo sa na to pagbuhat o uso na to sila pag-atiman sa atong environment. So all forms of life are important. Each organism plays a fundamental role in nature. Therefore, all living things must be considered as invaluable instruments in maintaining balance in the ecosystem. So, tanan organism diri sa basta buhay nga kuan. Tanan is importante kita pala siya gihangama. Amigas pa na dira nagyaw na siya purpose diri sa kalibutan, nagyaw na siya rule diri kuan sa atong environment. Everything is connected to everything else. In an ecosystem, all components interact with each other to ensure that the system is sustainable, for which any outside interference may result in an imbalance and deterioration of the system. Ang kaniyang sa number 3 is diri sa atong ecosystem is tanan buhay diri. Tanan buhay diri is connected siya kanang siya cycle so dito sa everything else. Kung dili siya connect magpa siya kanang na siya kanang mga imbalance and deterioration. Kanang dili siya mabalance ang iyang function sa atong environment. Number 4, everything change. People must maintain the relationship with the environment through relevant technologies for positive changes. One, sa ako is more on technology. So, dapat kay dili po nato masurahan og kanita og gamit sa technology nga makadaot sa ato ang environment kay mga kuanana nga madaot ang ecosystem. Number 5, everything must go somewhere. Since waste may go back to one's own backyard in some other forms, it is important to become aware on the different types of waste, classify and segregate those that are toxic and potentially hazardous. So everything must go somewhere. Bisan pa kanang sampulan is kanang ito paglabay-labay na sa basura sa bisan pa kita ka malugit nga nakalagay basura. Kanang ano paglabay-labay basura is makikihan ang atong environment. Mapikuhan mo sa alas sampol ka ng baha na ihalagay dito sa kuan at ipatakaw lagay. Magbatakaw lagay basura. 6 is ours. Hiding earth. Awareness on the earth limited resources lends to conscious effort Being the most intelligent and being gifted with reason, humans are capable of controlling and taking care of the creation to their own advantage. So, sa ingon pa ni Sir, ingon pa ni Sir ingon ni Sir Kayod nga, buhat na sa ginawa, di ba? Kaya siya, kaya kita man ang atasan na sa Ginoo nga, kita ang kanang bitaw mga pasiman sa ato sure. Kita ang magkuan, dapat kay kita man ang intelligent bitaw, mas intelligent naman sa tanan nga na yung diri ang bukid diri sa kalibutan. Dapat kita ang mag-camping o mag-atiman sa iyahang so, the Green School, the concept and background. The concept of Green School was introduced in Europe in 1990s, while the Rio Earth Summit of 1992 took cognizance of the need to take action every area in which human impact of the environment. The World Summit of Sustainable Development, or WSSD, in Johannesburg in 2002 catalyzed the efforts to bring about a shift in educating about the environment, educating for sustainability. So kaniya sa World Summit of Sustainable Development, paano siya imbis na educating about the environment, ikuan siya nga educating for sustainability. This shift is reflected the international climate of thinking about sustainable development that meets the needs of the present without compromising future generations to meet their own needs. Recognizing education as a critical means to achieve sustainability. The United Nations launched the Decade of Education for Sustainable Development, or DESD, in 2015 to integrate principles, values, and practices for sustainable development into all aspects of education and learning in order to encourage behavior that will create a more sustainable future in terms of environment, integrity, economic viability, and a just society for present and future generations. Principle is practices as sustainable development sa education para magkuha siya sa mag-create of sustainable future in terms of environment, integrity, economic viability, and a just society for present and future generations. The Green School and ESD. The Green School is visualized as a school guided by the principles of sustainability. It seeks to create a conducive environment to fully utilize all resources and opportunities inside and outside the school, and orient teachers and students on environmental sustainability through active involvement of community. Ang kanyang Green School, sa Green School is ang nagtulong niya siya mo ang ganyan Green School, iyahapit na ako ka ng basta iyang kuwan ba nga magkuwan i-educate ang students na magkuwan siya na magkuwan ito sa ato ang kuwan magkuwan sa ato ang environment na para tutuan ang student para magkuwan sa ulpag pag-care sa ato ang environment pag support o pag-camping A green school is identified with those elements and practices that regulate environmental sustainability through various environment-friendly use and encourage judicious use of resources. It also caters to the physical, mental, and emotional needs of child by ensuring a school environment that is physically safe, emotionally secure, and psychologically safe. Ang kanyang green school is nagbuhat na siya para daw sa students na kung ganang silbi sa class-wise, ganang na lang, ganang murang ganang, bago para bitaw, dinis na ikaw, ganang bitaw, ganang, siya ganang, ganang ilahang, gusto ba nga, ganang, ang student is, hindi siya mga, basta environment friendly, environment friendly ang iyang classroom. Ang caters na physical, mental, and emotional needs of child. Next is essential aspect of green school environment. A green school adheres to the following concepts. Number one, learning about the environment. It focus mainly on acquisition of knowledge and understanding of the surroundings and activities. Ang learning about the environment is muna siya ang kuhaan ang mag-focus siya sa knowledge para ito makakuha ng learning the environment. It aims at understanding green curriculum. A curriculum of the green is what includes the following aspects. Environment, public, multidisciplinary, and dynamic, and scientific, social, economic, political, and technological. Being holistic, a green curriculum views the environment as all that is around and aims to give a better understanding of the way the world functions and its operation because of the action.
Dili madungog dito.
It physically